guys, I got some tasty Skittles. Be careful, Arthur. Oh no, my Skittles.
Oh, don't worry.
No, they're all dirty now. I cannot eat them.
Sorry. I got an idea. Perfect. Here, Avelina.
Thanks, Arthur. They're not the same, but thank you. Would you also like one?
Yes, thank you.
Be careful! They will all fall! Oh no! Oh no, not again!
Sorry.
Arthur, what did I say about the table?
It's dirty.
Indeed, we cannot eat them anymore.
I have an idea.
Okay.
Oh, this one.
No new gumballs?
Just wait.
Just wait? What is that supposed to mean?
Just wait.
Okay. Is that for me?
Uh-huh. Hey, Bob.
I got a huge gumball machine. Special delivery.
Thank you, Bob.
Enjoy. Don't eat them all at the same time.
Gumball, 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 gumball. White.
Orange.
Arthur, this is the best gumballs I've ever tasted. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Soccer ball, catch! No! Okay, then not. You should go play outside. Okay, I will play outside.
Guys, I need to go to the supermarket, but clean this mess, okay?
Okay.
Just clean this mess before you turn into zombies, okay?
Hey guys! What a mess! You should clean it, guys. Oh no! He turned into a zombie! Akim, help me! Oh no! Ah! Huh? Arthur and Akim, they played video games too much. Oh no! Did they turn into zombies already? Uh-huh! Oh no, they're coming! Ah! Oh no! What do we do now? Hide! Amelia? I think so. What do I do now, Amelia? We need to play other games, not video games. Okay, come. Coast is clear. Let's go. Okay. Avelina, let's go while it's safe. I need to go to the toilet 1 second. Now? Really? Sorry, nature calls. Okay, but be quick and quiet. I only need 1 minute. They need to play with normal stuff. Perfect. What are you doing? They're coming. Trust me. Okay. Oh, hi guys. If you want to catch me, well, here I am. Nice! You guys made a painting and did not play video games. You guys turned into zombies because you were playing too many video games. But now you're back to normal again. Yes! It worked! And no more video games for you guys! Okay.
Wow! You actually cleaned your mess! But what is that? Food?
Yes! Special art!
As long as you don't play video games anymore.
Guys, let's go! We're late for school!
Good morning, kids!
Good morning.
Good morning! Good morning!
Good morning.
What?
We have a new student today, and that is Arthur.
But he's too small for school!
We'll find out. Maybe he will surprise you.
Yeah, right.
Okay, I have an important test for you today. You have exactly 1 hour to solve this. Good luck.
This is so hard! Okay, Arthur. Question 3 is B. I repeat, B. And for the last question, put answer D. Yes, D, like donut.
Wow, good job, Arthur. And time is also finished, guys. You got a C. All right. You got a C. And now let's have a look at Amelia. D minus. Sorry. Okay, let me have a look. Arthur, you got an A! Good job!
How is it possible? He is so small! I think he was cheating!
Avelina, he's not cheating. Arthur, what is this?
don't know.
And? Did you get an A? I told you I would help.
Who is this? Is it bad, Amelia? And did you help Arthur cheat?
Hello? Who's this?
I'm the teacher, and I don't like people who cheat. Well, you will do Arthur's test tomorrow, and no cheating. Bye!
Hello? Hello?
Arthur, you're not allowed to cheat at school.
Sorry.
I know you want to go to school with the big kids, but maybe we should wait until you're a little bit bigger.
Okay.
I will teach you something else tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, school is finished. See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye! Was this our room, guys?
Yeah, I think so.
Sorry. Bye.
Oh, hi kids.
What's going on, police officer?
The door was open. Are you missing anything?
Our toys! Our toys! They're lying here!
I knew it!
Oh no! How do we get our toys back? I have an idea! I'll ask the neighbors if they saw anything.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hello!
I knew it! I knew it! You stole our toys!
I'm on holiday!
Yeah, of course. You are coming with me. Look what I found next door. See? He took our toys.
No, I did not!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
Guys! Stop! Thief! Did you take those toys? No, I did not! I am on holiday! Amelia, did you see toys in his room?
No, I didn't. But I'm sure he took them.
No, I did not! I am on holiday! What's going on in here, guys?
Thief here stole our toys.
No, I did not! Yup, thief didn't steal them.
See? What? He didn't?
No, you guys made a mess, so I put the toys in the closet. See? Sorry, thief. You want some ice cream? Oh, ice cream? Thank you. I'm going to the beach. Bye. Bye.
Sorry.
Hey, stop.
Amelia, what did you do?
I
I didn't do anything!
Stop!
Run!
Stop!
You must have done something bad, Avelina! What did you do?
I did nothing.
Where are they?
Phew! Let's go that way!
Stop! Why are they running? Stop!
Where's the key, Avelina?
I thought you had it.
I don't have it!
Hello?
I think I heard the police! Quickly, run!
Aha. Aha.
Huh? Huh?
Oh no!
I didn't do it. It was Amelia.
That's not fair! I didn't do anything either!
Girls, listen. You both didn't do anything.
See? I told you she... What? We both didn't do anything? But why are you chasing us then?
Because I think one of you lost the keys to your house.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Next time when I tell you to stop, just stop, okay?
Sorry. Good morning!
Good morning, Amelia!
Bad morning.
Bad morning? What's up?
I don't want to go to school.
It will be fun! You know what? Let's get you something nice to wear. This one? Nice! This one?
Okay.
Wow! You look amazing! You're ready for school now, are you?
Stay here! Nice! Look, Akim!
Thank you, but I don't want to go to school.
I'll bring you to school, Akim.
You're back already? You still don't want to go to school?
Akim, you have to go to school.
Well, why don't you go to school with this cool backpack?
Is that for me? Is that an Amelia Avelina Akim backpack?
Yeah!
Look, it has even pictures of you, Amelia, Avelina, Akim, and Keith. Cool, huh?
What? What's this? A sheep? Ready to go to school now? Yes!
Akim!
Yes, Dad?
Didn't you forget something? Your backpack?
Thank you! Bye!
Good luck! Fruits! I need a disguise. I got an idea. Hello, kids.
Oh, hi, police officer.
Fruits are not allowed. They are bad for you.
Not allowed? Since when?
Since a long time. No fruits, no vegetables, and no sports.
What? That doesn't make any sense. Those are all healthy for you.
No, it's the rules. I'm taking that banana. Candies are much healthier for you. Would you like some candy, Avelina?
Yes. Thank you.
I've got some more candy for you, Avelina. Here.
What is going on? I knew it! It's the witch! What do I do now? I have an idea.
Nice and healthy. Hello, police officer. I have a candy for you too.
That looks delicious. Ooh. Yummy.
Yummy indeed. It's actually tomato. Very healthy.
Tomato? Oh
Witch! Don't worry. She can't do magic anymore. She ate something healthy.
no! What? Oh no!
I would leave if I were you before I call the police.
Okay. I'll get you for this, kids.
I don't think so.
I'll be back soon.
I think you have a problem.
Tricking kids to eat candy, huh? I'm gonna take you to jail.
Enjoy! I hope they will feed you some healthy food.
Oh no!
Hi! Thank you for watching our video. We also have a new channel for your little brother or sister. It's called Doe and Rainy.
You can see it here behind us, and it's brand new, just launched today. And you can check in the description below how to find it. Doe and Remy, see you there. Bye!
Dad, are you making strawberry milkshakes?
Yep.
What does this button do?
What happened? Oh!
Let's have some fun!
Why doesn't it work?
No milkshake, Dad?
Oh, hi, Dad!
Milkshake? No, it's broken.
Oh.
Hi, Amelia. Nice Lego you got there. I hope it doesn't fall on the floor.
Amelia, what are you doing?
I have no idea what happened.
What a mess you made. Okay, I'll help you.
Now, what will I do next? Give it back!
What is this?
It's nothing.
Nothing, huh?
No. Please don't push that button.
You need to apologize.
Okay. Hi. Sorry I made a mess. It was my fault. Okay, I forgive you. Now go. Okay.
Whoa, not so fast. Here, take this, please.
Is this for me?
No.
Oh no, please don't do that.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Everyone wants a milkshake?
Yes!
Okay.
Wait,
What is that? A magic stick? Wait, what? Is it broken? What was that? Some more boxes. gonna be the best house ever. And now, finished. A Minecraft house? And now, zombies. Zombies? Nice, and now it's finished. Akim, there's zombies here. Zombies? This bad house. Your Minecraft house. You need to fix this. What to do? I don't know. TNT! The TNT! Good idea! There! Finished! Now, Akim! Yes! Yes! Good job, Akim!
Wait! I'm not going to clean that mess, no way!
I'm going to play Minecraft.
Minecraft! No! No, no!
No zombies anymore.
No! More zombies! Akim, not funny!
I tricked you!
There! It should work now. Yes! It works! Okay, now I have to change it back. What? Why doesn't it work?
Hi, Amelia. What are you doing? What is that?
Hi, Dad! That device to make me young.
Young? I would like to be young.
Well, I wouldn't touch it if I was you. It doesn't work yet. Dad? Oh. Dad! What did you do? Oh no! Think!
Hi, Amelia. What is the monkey doing here?
That is, Dad.
That is Dad? What happened?
I made this device that makes things young, and he touched it. And now I'm trying to change him back, but it doesn't work. Look. See? I don't know what to do now.
I think I know what to do.
Really? Tell me!
Amelia, can you help me find the stool?
Yeah, sure. What do you need?
I need this tiny screwdriver.
I think I got it. This one? Oh no! No, not the hammer! Our you crazy?
It will work, trust me.
Dad, you're back!
Told you it will work.
I'm not touching that device again. Not. No.
You know what? Enough of this device.
Amelia, fast! You have an online lesson!
What? Amelia, why did you miss your class today? What? But it wasn't my class all day. So funny. But you should have stayed at school. What? What for? I was finished with school. What is it that you don't understand? You should look at yourself. What's going on? This is hilarious. I should record this. Stay here.
Psst, Amelia, what's going on?
I have no idea. The teacher is very weird.
I think it's bad Amelia.
What? Now, where were we? It is bad Amelia.
We should teach her a lesson.
Teacher, I need to go to the bathroom. But I was just about to record this. Okay, go. But just for 1 minute. Bye.
Let's go!
Where is she? Is she stuck in the toilet or something? What did she eat yesterday? Why don't you go ring the door?
Okay.
Oh, this is not fun. Where is she? Oh! Annoying kids! Oh, hello! You too? What are you doing here? I'm doing my homework and you're bothering me. Yeah, doing homework. This is my bedroom. You pretended to be my teacher. Yeah, not so funny anymore now, huh? Don't do it again. I won't do it again, I promise. Or maybe not.
There you are! You were supposed to stay after school. Now do your homework.
What? Who did this? Oh no!
Aw, so beautiful. I would like to buy this yellow one. What? It was 100! 1,000! You're greedy! I don't need this car! So greedy! What? Oh man!
Hello? Uh-huh. Okay.
And ready?
Uh-huh. $10.
Okay.
What?
Hey, it doesn't work! Hey, it's not fair! Help! 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 Whoa! What? Uh-oh. What? Is it broken again? Do you need any help? Okay, I'll help you. Okay, try now. Thank you, it's worked. You're welcome. But don't be greedy the next time, okay? What? Is it broken again? For you. For me? Thank you! Woohoo! be greedy kids.
I'm all ready, Avelina.
Me too. But there's nobody here.
Yeah, you need to practice with someone. But who?
Nobody, Amelia. Can I practice on you?
Practice on me? No way.
Hello?
Whoa, hello, Steve. Are you going for a new outfit?
Or some makeup?
Makeup? I'm looking for a candy shop.
Well, we forgot candy.
Really?
Come and sit down over there.
I like candies. Oh, yummy. Ooh. I like candy. Where's candy? I think I will go.
No. You stay here.
Thief, can I practice my makeup on you? Yes?
Makeup? Yes.
Amelia, was that a yes?
Well, he said yes. So, let's do it.
You're all ready, thief. Thief, you forgot a perfume.
Mom? What are you doing here?
Mom, I'm your dad.
Dad?
They did this to me.
You look good, Thief.
Thanks for the practice.
You look amazing, Dad. This one was for free, but next time you have to pay.
Pay?
Bye-bye.
I'm so hungry. Me too. Should we order pizza? Yes!
No. My new kitchen is coming very soon, and I will be cooking.
Okay.
There it is.
Huh?
I'm coming.
Amelia, here's your kitchen. Do you want me to bring it up there?
Nah, I'm good. Watch.
Whoa!
See you next time, boss.
See ya, bye!
Oh, I have to build it myself?
Akim, we should order pizza. Yeah.
No. I'll be fast and I will cook.
Okay. Is it ready? Oh, I'm so hungry.
Ready. And now I will cook for you.
And where's the fruit?
I forgot to buy it? You know what? I'll quickly buy it at the supermarket. I'll be right back.
Akim, pizza? Yeah! Hello, can I have a pepperoni pizza with extra cheese? Yeah, extra cheese. Okay, thank you, bye. Nice, Avelina. Pizza arrived! Yes! Hey, Mom!
Hi Avelina! Fresh pizza for you! Do you also want me to throw it upstairs?
No. I'll take it from you.
Okay. See you next time. Bye!
Bye! Ta-da! Pizza! Pizza! I love pizza. And me too. La 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 la. La 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 la. Amelia's here! Oh no!
I got it! Now I can cook dinner for you. You must be very hungry.
Yeah, very hungry.
I smell pizza? Is that a pizza box? Did you guys eat pizza while I was shopping?
Sorry.
Well, did you leave any for me?
An oven.
Yes! Yes! Thank you guys! I'm so hungry from all the shopping.
You're welcome. Hi, Amelia.
Oh, hi Avelina! I found a new recipe for easy slime. No glue.
Really? Cool. Let's make it.
We have to follow the recipe and put only this tiny bit of water.
But then we only have a little bit of slime.
You're right. Let's put more water.
Is this slime?
No. But smoke?
Huh? Where did the smell go?
Hi there. What's behind you?
No! What are you doing?
Finally, I am alive and I have a voice.
What? Give her that voice back.
No way! I have been waiting for this moment for so long.
Hey!
Where did he go? I don't see him.
Oh, what did we do now?
We created a shadow. We're getting Dad's voice back.
Dad, can you say something? Yow? Ah, it was Simba!
Yeah. I think I know what to do. Dad, so what that you have no voice? We still understand what you're saying. And a poor shadow. It doesn't have anything.
No.
And I mean anything.
Nothing special.
At least he could get some clothes like you, Dad.
Uh-huh.
Leave me! I don't want to give my voice back!
No, Avelina!
Huh? What? It disappeared. But how do we get your voice back now?
Is your voice back, Dad?
Come on, Dad. Try to speak.
Meow!
Oh no!
It didn't work.
Tricked you!
You tricked us?
Not funny!
Ha